Hi, good morning. My name is Ife Adeleke, Director of Plush Organics. So today I'm going to show you how to make moringa guacamole. Guacamole can be used to eat as a dip for chips, tortillas, corn chips, as a spread with your scrambled egg for burritos. You can spread it on your bread, and my kids actually love it. It's healthy and it's fun. These are the ingredients. We have the avocado, of course, is the main ingredient. I put a bit of parsley. I put in my red onions, extra virgin olive oil, lemon juice, garlic cloves, pardon me, and tomatoes. Then I have the black pepper and some salt for taste. Alright, lest I forget, the most important ingredient is my moringa leaves. It's been crushed because I love it to have some texture. I have prepped my ingredients to start. So we'll start with mashing the avocado. The softer and riper your avocado, the creamier the consistency of a guacamole. Now I've mashed the avocado. It's soft, it's creamy. I begin to add every other ingredient. I start by adding the tomatoes. I start by adding the tomatoes. And then the onions. And of course, the garlic. Everyone, I wish you were here. It's already smelling very nice. So now, in goes my parsley. Some people would love to put chives in theirs, but I particularly like parsley, and I'm also a bit partial to basil. Basil is actually very nice in this, but I don't put it together. I rather put either parsley or basil. Basically, with guacamole you can play around. Don't forget your main ingredients, and then you can play around with every other ingredient you want to put in. So I'm going to put in 2 spoons of my Plush Organics moringa powder. I'll put in a dash of black pepper. A pinch of salt. And of course, my lemon juice. Now, lemon juice, I put in a bit because I don't want it too tarty. Some people do like it quite tart, but I like it just the right amount of tart. Especially because my kids will eat, and if it's too sour, they won't want to eat it. And last but not the least, extra virgin olive oil. One, 2, I have some chips and tortillas at hand for some taste. Voila, we're ready to go. Thanks for watching. I hope this adds knowledge to what you already make. Your kids will like it. You can feed your little babies. You can feed adults. It has the right amount of crunch. Remember, you can play around with it. The interesting thing is, for those who do not like the pepperish taste of moringa, it actually masks it, and it's very nice. You should give it a try.